Hey there YouTube. Today I'm gonna clean this table saw. It's a DeWalt table saw. It's one of those portable ones that you can move around. I'll have the exact model number on the screen now. Now to do the bulk of the cleaning, I've got this air compressor in my garage. It's just a simple small 5-gallon air compressor, and I've hooked this up to the end of it. Alright, so I flipped the whole thing upside down, and actually everything's exposed down here. Nothing's covered up, which makes it very easy to just kind of see things and clean it. Alright, I'm going to put some WD-40 over this gearing here. There's the spiral gear here as well. I want to get some of this on. Alright, so I've got my new combination blade. I purchased this one from Amazon. I'll put the link to this in the description of this video. It is a 10-inch 50-tooth blade, and it's combination blade, so that means it should be good for cutting different kinds of wood, as well as ripping and cross-cutting the wood. Alright, so I'm going to start off by taking this plate off of the top here. You just have to twist this counterclockwise. There's this little hole here. You put your finger in and just kind of pull the whole thing out. That exposes the blade, and the wrenches you're going to need is actually conveniently placed right here. You just have to loosen this bolt here. You don't need any tools. And pull them right out of there, just like that. So with these two here, we should be able to loosen that blade. Alright, so I'm going to start with this bent one. Put it in like so. Alright, so this one's in. The next step is to put this one in as well. There we go. So it's loosened a little bit more. Let's try putting it back in. Loosen it some more. There we go. Here's the blade. Let's go ahead and put it in place. That's good. This is the next piece. It goes on. Now this part. Now if you're having a hard time putting all these little pieces in there and tightening and loosening and stuff like that, what you can do is, just like earlier in this video, I took this plate off the side from underneath. You can take that plate off and it will give you access to and more room to work with taking the blade off and on and stuff like that. I don't really need to do that, so I didn't do it this time. All right, so it's nice and tight. Let's put this guy back in and lock it. Yep, it went through fairly smoothly. It's definitely cut it very smoothly as well. Definitely like the way it looks. I don't see any splintering or anything like that. Yeah, so far that was a good test. Over time, when I continue using this blade, I'll do another review on this, more in-depth review. But at the moment, everything's all right. Seems to cut correctly and works perfectly with this saw. Thanks for watching.